Hello, I'm Karol. I'm a teacher at Better Academy, and this is a recap of our first lesson in Kodu. In order to make a new world, simply click on this New World button. As you can see, we have three types of maps. We are selecting this one because we want to create the world ourselves. You can see now a square map. You can move around the map in this edit mode. In order to zoom in and zoom out, just simply use scroll on your mouse. You can move around by holding left mouse button and move the mouse around your mousepad. If you're not comfortable, you can always move around using your WSAD buttons on your keyboard. In order to change camera angle, you hold right mouse button and move the mouse. Make sure you have the green hand in the bottom of your screen selected, or you won't be able to move in this edit mode. In order to create our robot friend Kodu, select this tiny robot right next to that green hand. Now, once you have it selected, click anywhere on the map using left mouse button. Now select Kodu and place him in the world. If you want him to move around, you'll have to program him first. You can do that by clicking right mouse button on him and then selecting program. Now what you want to do is make him walk when you do something in the game. So click on that plus and select keyboard. Now we need to tell him what button we'll be using to move him around. So click on that plus right next to the keyboard and select arrows. Then click on that do plus right here. Remember, we want him to do things when we are doing something in a game. In order to make Kodu move, select move option. We can also program him to walk slowly or quickly by clicking this plus button. When you're done, press escape button on your keyboard. In order to play as Kodu, click green arrow that is next to green hand. Now you can move around as Kodu using arrows on your keyboard. You can go back to editing the world by pressing escape button. As you can see, our world right now is very small. You can make it bigger by selecting this brush right here. Now simply hold your left mouse button and move it to create more land. If you want, you can change shapes here and textures right here. Now we have much bigger map. We can create some fantastic hills and valleys. In order to make them, click on this land right next to the brush, right here. Your left mouse button makes the terrain rise, and the right makes it lower. If you want your hills to look more smooth, right here is the right tool. Click it and write over your spiky hills, holding left mouse button. On the other hand, if you want your hills to be more spiky, select this tool and write over the terrain you want to be more spiky. Remember to hold left mouse button in the process. You can also add some water to this terrain by selecting this icon. Left mouse button makes the water rise and the right mouse button makes it go down. To save your world, click on this home and click Save My World. We can name our world right here. I'll name it Karol, then press Save. That's all in today's recap of our lesson. Have a great day, and I will see you in our online classroom.